Well, before I explain to you about the routing protocols, I'm going to show you how to make a simple connection between two routers. For that, I'm going to use C3745 routers. Just drag and drop the two routers. This is the link image. So all you need to do is click on the link icon, place it over here and click it once. We'll get a list of interfaces over here. Just select any one of the interfaces. I'm going to select Fast Ethernet 0/0. Click again on the other router and again select the connecting interfaces. Fast Ethernet 0/0. So these two routers R1 and R2 has been connected by, via Fast Ethernet 0/0 interface. If you need to see the interface, go to the view and show interface label command. Now I'm going to start both the routers and do the initial configurations. I go to R1, go to the console on R1. The router is booting up. Okay, now I go to the configuration mode and the interface Fast Ethernet 0/0. Initially, the internet Fast Ethernet 0/0 interface is down, so I need to bring it up, for which I use the command no shutdown. Well, now I expect a log message which says that the interface state has come up. Now I need to configure an IP address on the interface, for which I use the command IP address 192.168.1.1 followed by the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Here the subnet mask, the first three octets of the subnet mask is 255, which means that the first three octets of the IP address will remain static and it cannot be changed. Since the last octet of the subnet mask is 0, it means that the last octet of the IP address can vary from 0 up till 255, but 0 and 255 are reserved addresses, so it can actually vary from 1 up till 254. So I'm gonna hit enter and the IP address has been configured. Now in order to see if the IP address has been configured, just type the command do show IP interface brief. So you can see over here that the IP address has been configured on Fast Ethernet 0/0 of R1. I'm going to do a similar thing on R2. Just go to the console, go to the configuration mode, interface, Fast Ethernet 0/0. Now do a no shutdown command. Well, you'll see a log message saying that the interface has come up. Now configure the IP address 192.168.1.2 and the subnet mask of 255.255.255.250.0. So here you can see that earlier I used the IP address 192.168.1.1 on the other interface of R1. Since the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, the first three octets of the IP address must remain the same, and the last bit of the IP address can vary from 2 up till 254. I'm going to hit enter and see if the IP address has been configured. Well, you can see that IP address has been configured on Fast Ethernet 0/0. So now I'll do a ping. In order to do a ping, I need to go to the global mode, and now I'll ping the other IP address. Well, here you can see that the success rate is 80%, which means that our ping was successful. I'll ping it again. So you can see that the two routers are pinging each other, which means that the two routers have been connected and they're able to ping each other. Now I'll show you how to configure a routing protocol on the routers which is the main intention of networking.